Hi there, you're back with me, the Badger Guy. Today we will be going through our FAQ section inside Unity, and I will be showing you how to add an FAQ, how to apply it to different things. Let's get started. So firstly, you'd want to go to Settings and to FAQs. You'll see here there's a couple of them that have been created. FAQs in a nutshell is a way to document processes. So if there's certain tasks that you need to follow for your clients on a regular basis, creating an FAQ is the best way to record that process and how to do a certain set number of tasks. There's an example here of how to set up a workstation. It applies to all clients and can be searched with a tag. And then inside this FAQ, you'll have your instructions on what to do. Let's create one here. So we're going to add a global, this is the global FAQ page under settings. If we add a global FAQ, we can have this one called installing Microsoft 365 apps. This can apply to clients, and we can add tags in here when you need to search for it. 365 Microsoft apps, and then you can have step 1 download 365 installer, step 2 run installer, and so on and so forth. You can add images in here, which can definitely help. Once we've created that FAQ, we make sure it's enabled and it can appear on all dashboards. Click Save. You'll have your install Microsoft 365 app FAQ created. Up in the top right, you've got a button to search those FAQs. So if I click the search button and I type in 365, you'll see that FAQ pop up. So Microsoft, any combination of those. The test one can also show up here as well. So there's your global FAQs. Those are FAQs for processes that might apply to all clients. Now there is another option. If we go to our services, so our MSP services that we supply to clients, we have a bunch here. Let's take, for example, domain hosting. Open the dashboard of that, and we go to docs. Now, domain hosting can have its very own FAQ, which is not a global FAQ, can be specific to the service. And if the service applies to a client, only this FAQ will show up. So if I add a service FAQ here and call it domain migration, websites, whatever relates to this FAQ, I can add in as many tags as I want. I can do step 1, submit domain transfer request. Obviously, there's probably more to this process, but for the sake of time, I'm just going to add that, and then I'm going to click Save. And now you'll see your domain migration service FAQ there. That FAQ won't show up in global FAQs. It will only apply to clients that have that service. So if I go to a client that has that service applied, you'll see here, these are the supplied services to that client. I'm going to add domain hosting that's supplied to that client. It applies to the client, and I click Save. Then we go to that client's page and we go to Docs. You'll see here your assigned service has an FAQ also. These are the global FAQs that apply to every client. This is the FAQ that's been created just for that service. And if that service applies to this client, you have that FAQ here. You can add in more documentation here on this side, but FAQs is designed to replace manually added documentation. All right, and that's it. That's a quick one today. Please join our Discord if you want to ask us any questions there. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks very much.